What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell for some of the best braiding tutorials on YouTube. Today, I'm actually doing a asymmetrical butterfly lock bob on my assistant China. Super excited to just try something new. And I'm also going to be using a different method than I usually use for my locks. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So I always start off by plaiting my client's entire head. I am doing these like a medium to large size, so yeah, my braids are going to reflect that. So the hair that I'm using today was actually sent to me by a company called Leeven hair. They sent me 7 packs of their passion twist hair in the color 1B, and I'm going to be using 6 of those packs to complete the look. So I'm just showing you guys how they come. They are just like this here, and I'm going to be using 2 pieces per lock, and when I take those pieces out, I'm going to spread them and separate them just so I can get a more fluffy look. With their hair, they also send you a crochet hook. So if you guys can see it on my tray there, my pink and green hook, it actually came from them. So really, honestly, all you need to do is purchase their hair and it comes with everything you need. So typically in my other lock videos, I will use a actual new lock to help anchor my lock. And today I'm only going to be using the hair that was sent to me by this company to complete this whole look. So the way that I do that is I'm going to crochet the 2 pieces of passion twist hair through the top of the lock. I'm going to pull one side to mimic the length that I want for the lock. So I'm going to use another lock to kind of be my guide, and I'm going to make it slightly longer than that lock is. I'm going to begin wrapping. When I wrap, I do wrap to the right side, and I'm going to be using my thumb to create the little butterfly loops. If you guys need a super in-detail tutorial on that, I will make sure that I link one in the top right section. That will really help you guys with the wrapping process. So for this method, like I said, all I'm using is the hair that they sent me. I didn't use a new lock, and the reason why I stopped doing that is because I felt like for my shorter locks, it would make them really stiff. And so when you only use the passion twist hair, you definitely will get a lot more movement out of your locks. So for the shorter styles, I don't use a new lock to anchor it. Now, if I were to do a super long lock, then I would still use a faux lock to complete the look, but for this I didn't need it. Your locks will have just a lot more movement, a lot more flow, and it is a lot quicker because you don't have to take that time to crochet those new locks in and tuck your client's natural hair. I know you guys weren't able to see the end of the lock on the first lock, so I am going to be showing you guys on this one here. Basically, I'm using this wrapping technique all the way until I get to the bottom. When I get to the very bottom of the lock, I'm going to actually tie a knot, and that's going to help my lock to be secure at the bottom to prevent it from unraveling. Once I create that knot, then I'm going to start to wrap upward. Lastly, to seal my lock, I am going to be using a little bit of hair glue as soon as I run out of hair or get down to a very small piece. You can definitely skip this step and palm roll it, but this honestly, guys, just makes me feel a lot more secure, like my locks won't unravel by using just a little bit of hair glue to seal it. And this is not going to be touching your client's hair at all, and you won't be able to see it either. took me about 2.5 to 3 hours to complete. Here is my finished look, guys. If you guys are looking for hair to complete your butterfly locks, I would definitely recommend this hair. I've actually worked with this company before on my channel, so I do really love their products. It's nice and shiny, and it doesn't give you like that super dull look. So if that's something that you're going for, I would definitely highly recommend. Whenever I am doing like side parts, especially with faux locks, I feel like it looks so much better when you have a deep side part. And so this part right here is not really a deep one, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like at the end with the deep side part because I like it better. But yes, this is my asymmetrical bob, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. I try to do something a little bit different just because I have a lot of butterfly lock tutorials on my channel. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, send me a comment down below and let me know what video you guys want to see next, and I'll do my best to get it out to you. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I know I tell you guys that all the time. I'm trying to push y'all and get to 700K by my birthday, which is in March. So I'm trying to do back-to-back uploads every day, but you know how that is. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. As always, don't forget to like, comment right now, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video. But I'm sorry, I shouldn't have said that because I have one more thing to say. I'm just showing you guys like the length of the bob and everything, but in the very last clip, you'll see that the side part is just a little bit deeper. And so that's what I was talking about for the deep side part, okay? All right, y'all, love y'all so much, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?